I see the light inside your eyes. You make me feel like
So hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's me, Michelle, and today I'm going to show you how I did this. Sweet 16 look na ginawa ko para sa inyo today gamit tong Maybelline Blush Nude na nabili ko. Actually, maganda to at saka mura pa siya na mabibili nyo lang siya sa mga grocery store or sa drugstore or saan mang beauty store na meron kayo sa inyong lugar. Maganda siya kasi meron siyang instruction kung paano kayo makakreate ng iba't ibang eye look para sa palette na to, na which is madali lang siyang gawin. Susundan nyo lang siya sa likod. Meron naman siyang nakasulat. If you want to see how I create this look, just keep on watching.
I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Meron nakalagay na mga combination ng kulay para makagawa kayo ng isang certain eye look. So, ang ginamit ko itong quad. Kung susundin nyo itong apat na quad na to para sa isang eye look, ang una nyong gagawin is up and down, up and down. Nakalagay naman siya sa likuran kung gusto nyong sundan. So, sabi dito is ito munang pinaka-top ang gagamitin natin para sa upper ng mata natin, like so. Nakikita nyo. Meron din siya doon nakalagay kung saang part siya ng mata nyo ilalagay. Meron naman nakalagay doon. After that, ito naman sa pangalawa sa baba ang gagamitin natin. Dahil nakalagay dun sa instruction na parang ang kulay niya is medyo brown na glitter. So, ilalagay nyo siya dito sa eyelid nyo. Lower eyelid nyo. Actually, maganda siya para sa beginner. So, ang next natin na ilalagay is, sabi dito, yung pangalawa naman, ito naman nasa taas. Lighter. So, ilalagay nyo siya dito sa in-between. And like so. Kung sa tingin nyo, hindi masyadong kita yung white, add another white dito sa side. And then, after that, the last one daw na ilalagay itong darkest para dito sa gilid para magkaroon ng parang lalim yung eyes nyo. Hindi naman siya totally na smoky para lang magkaroon ng lalim. And then, after nyo malagay, isi-blend nyo lang siya. Para mas lalong maging open yung eye natin. Instead na black eyeliner yung gagamitin natin is white. Para medyo lumaki ng kaunti yung mata natin. Kasi sabi, ang white is, it's make your eyes a little bigger. After nyan is, maglalagay tayo ng wing eyeliner. Gagamitin natin is itong Maybelline na pang wing. Pencil, liquid eyeliner pencil. Kasi mas madali siyang gamitin. After that is, maglalagay na tayo ng false lashes. Para matakpan nyo yung pinagdikitan, kailangan nyo ulit mag-apply ng liquid liner dun sa pinag-applyan nyo ng inyong lashes. So, kung kaya nyo siya, kung magagawa nyo siya ng paraan, is dadaanan nyo lang siya ulit. So, ayan na siya. Nakabit ko na yung lashes and nalagyan ko na rin siya ng eyeliner para medyo umano yung kulay niya. Ang gagamitin ko na lipstick is yung pink color na Brave ng MAC. And then, set nyo lang siya ng set.
Wounded silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna get.
Yung look na ginawa ko mula dito sa the blush nude ng Maybelline. Actually, maganda siya. And affordable na affordable pa siya. As you can see, ito na yung kinalabasan ng aking Sweet 16 makeup tutorial. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And kung hindi pa po kayo nakaka-subscribe, please do consider subscribing. And don't forget to click the bell button para lagi po kayong ma-update sa aking mga new upload na videos. So, until next time guys, see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye! Always be happy!